Hi everybody, I am Matthew Miller. I am the Fedora project leader, and this is going to be a very exciting video today. I expect that if you're watching this video, you already know a little bit about this, but just for background, about a year ago, some of the people at Lenovo in the ThinkPad team came to us at Fedora and said, we would like to ship a laptop that is running your operating system. How can we work together to do that? And so fast forward to some time, Friday, a week ago, Mark from Lenovo let me know that it was finally going to go live on the website for orders. And so I don't know if this is actually the first one, but I think it might be because I was reloading and then suddenly it showed up and I ordered right away. So today, this package came. ThinkPad with, if you look right here, can we zoom in on that? My wife is the camera operator today. Thank you. There, it is actually with Fedora as the operating system here. So this is really exciting. Lenovo, of course, is the biggest manufacturer of PCs in the world, and this is the first time Fedora has shipped out of the box, no modifications on a major computer vendor ever. I know there are some smaller companies selling systems with Fedora. Awesome, I love you. Let's talk more about more collaboration, but this is also very exciting. This is a really big deal for Fedora and for Linux in general. So let's open this up and see what it's like. By popular demand, an unboxing video. The seal is opened. Ooh, that's pretty. Wow, look at that little fancy box. Too bad there's not Fedora stickers on here, but very, very nice looking. Goodbye, plastic. Yeah, I got some stuff in there. Nothing says Fedora or Linux on here. Just a setup guide. Doesn't say Windows either, so that's something. All right. I got the fancy screen, and that comes with a fancy carbon fiber case here as well. Good. All right, and let's turn it around this way. Very shiny. Let's see if there's power. Where's the power button on this? Mysterious. Aha. All right, looks like we're gonna have to plug it in. Okay. Let's see. Can you see it? Fedora. Here, I'll turn the screen brightness up. How about that?
Yes, that helps a lot.
This is a beautiful screen. Okay, we're on the Wi-Fi. Privacy, problem reporting on, because that's how we contribute back to make things better. No online accounts. About me, Matthew Miller. My username is not all that spelled out. Of course, my username is MattDM. password typing on the screen. It's not a very secure password, but it'll work for now. And we start using Fedora. Okay, here we are, Fedora 32 running on a Lenovo laptop, just out of the box, just like that. That is so amazing. I am really impressed. Thank you, Lenovo. Thank you, Fedora community, for building such an awesome operating system. Thank you, Red Hat Desktop team, for working on this. Now, my next step, of course, is to get a USB stick and install Fedora 33 pre-beta, because although it's awesome to have this pre-installed, it isn't encrypted, and I would like an encrypted system. And also, I want to try out the new ButterFS features. So that's my next step, but you don't need to watch me doing that. That won't be that exciting. Bye, everybody.